The keto diet seems to be quite new to most people, but as a fact it was created in the 1920s to help treat children with epilepsy and has added benefits such as reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes, and it can help you lose weight. The diet is quite strict and hard to abide by, as one mistake can throw you out of ketosis. However, a few people like the diet as it's simple to follow. If you are planning to lose weight by using the keto diet, there are a few things you need to know. You'll lose weight, but there are dangers that you need to be aware of. 1. Diarrhea. If you're going to the bathroom more than you should, you'll find that you're not alone but alongside many other people that are suffering from diarrhea. This is usually caused by the low amount of fiber. The good news is that you can cure this by eating vegetables that are rich in fiber, but don't go overboard as you may put yourself out of ketosis. 2. Athletic performance. If you work out or compete in sports, it is recommended that you only use the keto diet to get to the weight you need to be. When you are in ketosis, your body is acidic, which has proven to decrease performance based on those athletes who went on a high-carb diet. 3. Ketoacidosis. Ketoacidosis happens when your body develops too many ketones, and your blood becomes quite acidic. Acidic blood can damage your organs such as liver, kidneys, and even your brain. If you are type 2 diabetic, you need to cease the keto diet immediately. You can keep an eye on your keto levels through the use of keto sticks or a breathalyzer. 4. Heart disease. The keto diet is primarily made up of vegetables and protein from lean meat, so eating bacon and only bacon needs to disregard, although most people do have success at this. The keto diet is high in fats, which can raise cholesterol levels, and if not controlled you will increase your risk of heart disease. You now have a quick overview of what dangers there are going on the keto diet. Now go and prepare yourself in advance. 5. Unhealthy weight gain. The keto diet should be followed for around 3 months, followed by a standard healthy diet. The issue here is that people will start to eat a lot of carbs, again putting the weight back on. The increase and decrease in your weight can contribute to eating disorders and ultimately have an unhealthy relationship with food. Although the keto diet is great for weight loss and a variety of health benefits, there are side effects that come with it. If you are unsure if the keto diet is a right fit for you, it's best to seek consultation from our doctor. They'll be able to take blood samples and get back to you within a few days to let you know if the keto diet is a safe option. We want to know if you are having some struggles on your keto diet. Comment your keto diet experience below. Kindly like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our updates.